Supreme Court gets troubling note from Ginsburg, now Trump is getting ready. Ginsburg recently announced that she's recovering from cancer, and at age 85, everyone knows she's thinking now might finally be a good time to retire. She has missed day after day working on the Supreme Court bench alongside her colleagues, and thus far her official story remains that she will be working from home. But the latest update is throwing a wrench in that cover story. From The Hill. Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg will be absent from the bench again next week. The Supreme Court's spokeswoman, Kathy Arberg, said Ginsburg will continue to work from home and participate in the consideration and decision of the cases on the basis of the briefs and transcripts of oral arguments. Ginsburg, 85, had surgery December 21 to remove 2 cancerous nodules from her lower left lung. Her recovery forced her to miss oral arguments in cases this week for the first time her more than 25-year career. Ginsburg's health is in obvious decline if she's missing yet another week of work. Her lung cancer surgery is only the latest in a long series of illnesses that have plagued the Supreme Court justices' twilight years. In November, Ginsburg fractured 3 of her ribs, and many have noticed that she often appears frail and ill while making public appearances. Conservatives believe this latest development proves she can no longer perform her duties. Surprisingly, many Democrats are also arguing that it's time for her to leave, with some even calling her selfish for not retiring while Obama was still in office so he could pick her replacement. But Ginsburg has vowed to hold onto her seat for, as long as I can do the job full steam. I think I'll recognize when the time comes that I can't any longer. That time is fast approaching, and it's looking less and less likely that she will outlast Trump's presidency. And Trump would love for nothing more than to replace her with a conservative justice. His most likely choice? He would pick a conservative again, but this time it would be a woman. And that person most likely would be Amy Coney Barrett, who was on the short list last time and would be a fantastic choice.